So the plan of attack for today is to not use a high-powered gun for a change and use this beautiful gun here with me. It's the Fx Dreamline Classic in walnut, and may I say it's a beautiful, beautiful gun. I got it set up through the week and I'm just itching to take a couple of shots. So this is what this is going to be about, and you will be seeing much more of this gun in the future to come. And again, it's just having a nice time. It's a beautiful day out in the farm. We had a lot of rain and snow, and I'm just going to take this opportunity just to take a couple of shots. So tag along, it's going to be a good one. Perfect. Right into the next side. It looks like a chest shot. Just tumble to the front and he's done. Wow, that is awesome. Beautiful shot. Straight, just jumped into the air and just fell right into the roof. I actually forgot how nice it is to shoot pellets, I'm telling you. Beautiful. It was hanging up in the branch for a while, but eventually fell down. Come on. Okay, I see two pigeons sitting right up there. Hopefully I'll get an opportunity to do both of them. The nice thing is about this gun, it's very quiet. It's not high powered like the SLUG gun that we're carrying around. And most of the time you get a follow-up shot, so let's see if it works out. 40 yards. Let's see. Oh, nailed him. He just dropped down on the other side. Awesome stuff. Oh, the other one is still sitting up there. Okay, let me see if I can take a shot at him as well. think I got him as well. This is exactly what I said to you about the follow-up shots. This kind of gun, you can do it. If this was a slug gun, no ways, they would have flew off after the first shot. "71 yards. Anchored him. Okay, so let's talk about my gun for a minute here quickly. It's the Fx Dreamline in the Walnut Classic stock. I love this gun. The stock is absolutely beautiful. I haven't oiled the stock yet, so what I'm going to do is I've got some nice linseed oil that I'm going to actually rub into the stock. Brings out the colors. I love it. The last time I had a classic stock, that's usually what I used. For the guys that has been following me for a while, you will remember that I had a crown walnut as well, and I've used that oil on that stock as well and brought out the colors beautifully in there. Anyway, back to the gun. On top I've got a Element optics scope. This is the Helix. It's a second focal plane scope. It's an MRAD version. It's got the APR1C reticle on it. Then on the back, the camera system is a side shot camera system from Side Shot, and I am using a GoPro to film through the side shot camera. Mounts is sports match rings, adjustable mounts, 30mm, and then you will notice that this gun is much longer than the 500 standard Dreamline in 22 caliber, because this is a 600mm barrel and it's not a 500 barrel. I put the 600 on here just to give me a little bit of increase in speed, and I must say that 600 makes a huge difference. Inside here is a normal STX pellet liner. It's not the superior liner. The superior liner just shoots a little bit better than this still, but this gun's accuracy, I'll see if I can shoot a group a little bit later on, and this gun is just shooting lights out, as you can see. Walnut stock. At the bottom I put a little pick rail on there as well to put my bipod on there, and then I am shooting 18.13 JSB pellets at 905 feet per second average, and this gun is awesome. And then obviously, to quiet things down, a Donny FL silencer in the front. I think this gun is really nice. I have been shooting a lot of chassis these days because I have a big passion for shooting guns in chassis, because I do a lot of competition shooting as well. But I just thought to myself, it's time to pull out a classic, and that is obviously the Dreamline Classic. It's an awesome gun, super light. I'll see if I can post a little bit of more details on my Instagram account for you guys about this gun, but very nice, enjoying it. "82 yards. What a perfect headshot. Awesome stuff. On 82 yards with an 18.13 grain pellet. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, remember to hit the subscribe button. If you like it, hit that like button, and you will get a lot more action like this to come. So remember to do that. I see a lot of heads. I've got to go for a headshot here again. 62 yards. Perfect stuff. Headshot. 62 yards. I see there's another two. Oh, another one down. Awesome stuff. There's another one. Let's just see if we can take him down as well. Oh, I just nicked that last one. That was close. What was that, 3 or 4 in a session? I must say this gun is very accurate. I've got a 600 barrel on here, normal pellet liner, and your standard versions that do come from FX is usually with a 500 barrel on there, and they are just as accurate as what the 600 is in here. But I'm just loving it. I love the classic feel to it. I love the stock. Everything is comfortable. This gun is super light. I can actually just, you know, one hand walk around with it, and it's just a workman's gun. I had a guy that commented on one of my Instagram posts, and he made a very true comment there. He said, finally a workman's gun that I can physically use, and this is exactly what this gun is. It's a workman's gun, and it's a gun to enjoy. Okay, I'm gonna fill it up quickly. It's a normal probe, and the filling pressure on this gun is 235. I'm just going to give it a quick fill. Beautifully in the head. Another one in the head. I keep on going. He went to the other side, also straight down. Oh, headshots today, baby. Headshots. Oh, nailed him. There's more. Oh. The smaller house sparrows got a nice little pop to them, almost like a tiny slug hitting them. There we go. Okay, so here is the target, 92 yards. I've shot 12 shots, not 10, but hey, even better. You guys can even see more result. There's a group, and I put my thumb next to it over here. I think the widest shots here is about 2.5 inches, which is not bad. If I just take the target just off here as well, 2.5 inches. I think there was 1 or 2 that got away from me because of the wind, but on 92 yards with the 18.13 grain pellet, what do you need more than that? So very happy. And every single shot like that on a pigeon or a big house sparrow, he would have gone straight down. I say, moeg geploeg en klaar geskiet. And for the guys that don't understand that, that means that's the end of another episode. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you guys enjoyed this little pellet action. And for the guys that's been looking for the slugs, I will be doing some slug action in the future to come. But today, it's all about this beauty and pellets. So thanks for joining me. And one last thing, if you guys haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and put a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.